Hey guys, this time I'm going to tear down a rare find. It's a BTY-M52 battery, which is actually MSI battery. It's for MSI laptops. I'm not sure if it's original MSI or it's a replacement. It does say right here Teardown. I'm not sure if this is any other third-party battery, but anyways, I'll tear it down and see the cells. The cells are blue, but I'll see the exact model in a couple of minutes. These are some sunk SDI batteries, ICR18650-24E. As usual, I'll check the exact specs of the cells and add them to the description of the video. This one is very good. This one is good as well. This one is 0. This one is 0 as well. Okay, so we have 2 dead batteries and 4 good ones. I'll test them out. I'll try to wake up the 0 batteries and see if anything comes out. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Bye.